So let's start with your desired Deerc DE22 drone review. It is good to know that DE22 is one of the best-selling drones among many hit devices of the Deerc brand. And while people like to compare DE22 with DJI Mavic Mini 2, the drone Deerc DE22 is considered the equivalent of DJI Mini 2. The advanced feature with nice look has made the Deerc DE22 Pro drone more consumer-friendly. At the same time, people are more attracted due to good performance. Let's find out why this would be the perfect drone for you. After the Deerc DE22 FPV drone review, if you want, you can easily buy this robot from Amazon at home. The Deerc DE22 FPV drone comes with a brushless motor. It is silent and performs well. Its maximum flight time is 52 minutes, much better than expensive drones. Let's learn about the various features that are useful. Design and build. I am reviewing the Deerc DE22 Pro drone. First, attracted to its classic design. Foldable design. Robot weighs 560 g and has dimensions of 15.9 x 11.2 x 3 inches. A good-looking device like DJI brand drones will make your feeling good in the beginning. As a trainee drone user, you will not feel uncomfortable with the device, because of the body's classic design. And you will be more satisfied with its advanced features and easy use. It is designed with 2 intelligent battery system with the latest brushless motor. Comes with 5-level wind resistant. However, I think this extraordinary drone under $500 would have achieved total perfection if it had weighed less than 250 g. Although, you can register the FAA online to fly the drone in the USA. Image and video quality. The high-quality camera feature of this beautiful drone is far enough to meet HD image expectations. And that's why I think it's in demand in the market. Comes with aerial photography capture capability. Drone Deerc DE22 4K camera. 2-axis gimbal with EIS anti-shake technology allows the device to capture smooth images. This is special for travelers or beginner photographers. With more benefits. Remote controller. The Deerc DE22 comes with a black 2.4 GHz remote controller that can capture drones in the 4,900-foot range. It's smooth and impressive. At the top of it, there is a folding stand to hold the mobile device. And it has a small screen. You can see some feature programs here. The function of this delightful remote controller is to make the flight easy and smooth. It has the potential to break if left on the concrete by hand, so use with caution. Flight performance. Deerc DE22 Pro drone flight performance of the device is like being happy. Below you will get a maximum of up to 52 minutes of flight time. 2 intelligent batteries provided, although one battery comes with the ability to give up to 28 minutes battery life. This time in the comparative market is undoubtedly admirable. It comes with some advanced features for a better flying experience and drone safe. I think that's one of the reasons many people are interested in this drone. Let's clear up the following features. Altitude hold. The DE22 Pro drone comes with the altitude hold safe feature. This technology keeps the robot stable, giving a smooth flight experience. It is quite a beginner drone, user-friendly. It is possible to flight control the start and landing using one key button. The altitude hold feature makes drone flying fun. Plays a role in keeping it safe. GPS safe fly. GPS feature drone advanced edition. Excellent. Deerc DE22 comes with a GPS flight mode feature. The beginner pilot feels comfortable flying the drone. You can see where your drone is on the mobile device app's LED screen. Even if the drone is missing for some reason, the GPS flight path facility can bring it back. If you want a drone with outstanding performance, the body size of the robot is beautiful. The flight time is 52 minutes. The image quality is admirable. The price range is under $500. Then the amazing Deerc DE22 drone is perfect for you.